Hi. In an unprecedented, except in times of war, emergency sitting of Parliament on Saturday, both houses, with immediate royal assent, it has been unanimously decided to keep, via the state subsidy, the Scunthorpe Steelworks blast furnaces in production. The Chinese owners were due to close them down within days. A serious state of affairs, leaving the UK entirely reliant on imports. So far, the logical step of nationalisation, as demanded by all of the parties to certain degrees, has been swerved. This is a temporary panic move which doesn't answer the equally important question about the production of coke required to keep the furnaces in operation. Will this necessitate the reopening of coal mines and the end of the green economy, itself a badly thought out and implemented project? Our ruling class and their respective governments, driven by ideological considerations first dreamed up in the far-off Thatcherite years, have presided over the destruction of huge swathes of manufacturing industry, deliberately allowing whole areas to sink into decline and decay, with only low-paid warehousing type, 0 hours type employment replacing it. These areas are now beset with enormous social problems as a result. The main parties are now desperately worried that out of desperation, voters in these areas are going to vote for Reform UK, as will be amply illustrated during the May the 1st local and regional elections, many occurring in those abandoned, forgotten towns and areas. It's all too late. The entire spectrum of the political class have no answers to the industrial and social decline they have been responsible for during a period lasting generations, leading us into a situation of no return. Austerity, service cuts, unsuccessful rejigging of the National Health Service, the education system, the housing situation, migration, you name it, it's all beyond their limited imaginations and capabilities. The best they can achieve is managed decline. So far, the establishment, respective governments, have been dead lucky with, and when you come to think of it, irrational in the circumstances, social peace reigning. That era is now coming to an end. It could be the stuff of nightmares for the ruling class and beyond. What will emerge from this can only be speculated upon. The alternatives can now only come from the bottom, as the top have failed entirely. Bye.